We are thrilled to introduce the all-new upgraded C5 board, Fly C5 dual-core architecture. The host computer is upgraded to all-winner H618 quad-core processor, and 1GB DDR4 memory to build powerful computing power. The performance has been greatly improved, bringing many new features. MCU, equipped with industrial-grade STM32H723 chip with 550 MHz high frequency. Realize ultra-high-speed real-time response precision control system. Redesign the optimized version of the circuit, greatly improving the stability. Multi-channel power management, port, limit, drive and other short circuits do not affect the operation of the host computer. Combined with a specially customized FlyOS Fast version 1.2 software and hardware. Implement new features for DIY 3D printers. Integrated safety shutdown module. It can realize automatic saving configuration for power failure and shutdown. Adopting advanced technology and dual security protection designed to protect data security. When a power outage occurs, it can automatically switch to the capacitor power supply. Ensure the security of print data. Automatic wiping can be set. The power-off continuous play function is currently not suitable for models whose Z-axis will be displaced after a power outage. Numerical control fan 24 volts, 12 volts, 5 volts, no additional step-down module required. Host computer peripherals. There are two USB 2.0 cards and a TF card slot. Net port. Interface, onboard M2 extensible Wi-Fi eMMC, etc. Private protocol. Regarding the screen, we provide a rich interface. This is a TFT screen. This is how to connect. During installation, the blue one is facing up. Thin cable direct connection, ultra-low power consumption, easy and fast to use. There is also an FPC HDMI 1. Direct connection can also be achieved without occupying the interface. The UART of the host computer can also be connected to the serial port screen. The serial screen can set the power on password. Customizable interface. We can provide professional solutions. There is also a micro HDMI. Adapt to other screens. We are introducing other interface information. Power supply support 1224 VDC power supply, eliminating the need for a step-down module. Hotbed port 1 maximum output current, 15A. Heating rod port 2 maximum output current, 6A. Temperature sensor, 2 nozzles, 1 hotbed thermal NTC 100,000. 2 numerical control fans 4, maximum output current, 1A. Support 24 volts, 12 volts, 5 volts. Extended interface, BL Touch. CAN bus. There is also an RGB. Also has a UART which can provide a serial port screen for other systems. For example, connecting our pressure leveling module. About the system. Our self-developed Flying OS Fast. The system has evolved again to become better and more convenient to use. Support more new functions to improve printing efficiency. Extremely fast start. Intelligent switching, stable and reliable 3D printing weapon. Because it is an integrated board, we can buy the M2 Wii. Factory pre-installed Flying OS Fast system, and the MCU Clipper system. No need to change sources, easy to use. Debug the configuration file directly and use it without system burning. We will update the automatic burning script later. One line of code is automatically burned to solve the trouble of user burning.